So what we're going to do today is we're going to clean this up. So we're going to get rid of the Johnson grass, take the weed eater, get the Johnson grass out. So one note about Johnson grass, for those that aren't familiar with it, when it's young and immature, it's pretty easy to cut, but once it starts maturing and it starts getting bigger, essentially ends up turning into a stick. Yeah, it's grass, but the stems are pretty hard. And so, I'm struggling just to break this with my finger, especially here at this joint, but you can see how it strands out. It's almost like I think like a green onion, to where it has different sections inside. Let's see if this shows up. So in order to cut it easier, you can cut it obviously with the string, but in order to cut it easier when it's in this mature stage, I like to use this blade from Stihl. The trimmer's a Stihl. It's a FS91 Stihl, however you pronounce it. The blade's a Stihl also, and let's see, that, I don't see any markings on it, but that's the blade that I use. But this blade makes quick work, as you saw in the video, and whenever I have this thick stuff, the Johnson grass that gets mature like that, or I have, I want to say probably up to a quarter, maybe 3/8 inch diameter of saplings of trees, this will cut right through it. But you have to be careful, because if you get around the barbed wire or the fence posts, it can catch on you and run on you, and it'll spark also if it hits. So just be mindful of that. But if you got some thick stuff, I highly recommend you get one of these blades. Thanks for watching. As always, stay rooted.